How to create a word cloud in Tableau. So as you can see here, I have created a word cloud for all the manufacturers using sample superstore dataset. And I have increased the size of the manufacturer based on the number of sales. So let's see how we can create that. So first of all, we will create any dimension. So in this case, I will bring manufacturers to the text mark, and I will bring the sales to the size mark. And you will see here, automatically Tableau creates a tree map, but I don't want that. I want a word cloud. So for that, I will change the marks to text, and you will see a word cloud is created. Now you can add colors to it based on any other dimension. So in this case, I will bring colors using country dimension. And once I do that, you can see here, there are only two countries, which is United States and Canada, and our word cloud is created.